I started with EPMG about 5 years ago, and I was called to be director of that department. It was, I don't want to say it was in disarray. They were giving good medical care, but patient satisfaction was low, length of stays were high, and my job basically was to make things better. They spent the whole day at the hospital. They interviewed the nurses, they interviewed the providers, the doctors, the mid-levels. They interviewed administration. They walked through the place. By the end of the day, and it was a 9 to 5 day, they knew the place cold. They obviously spent a lot of time with me, and they were very familiar with me. And they came back about 3 to 4 weeks later with a very comprehensive plan. It worked well, I must say. They pretty much broke it down, roughly. This is my breaking down. It wasn't so much theirs. It was a 40-page report, basically on how to improve communications and how to improve the physical aspects of the hospital and how to speed the patient's stay. Results have been dramatic. We went from the cellar, of patient satisfaction. And again, I want to point out, we were doing great care, it just wasn't being perceived. We went from the bottom, and within 4 to 5 months, we were at the top. It was really cool. And this is in courtesy and respect and an overall quality of care. We also trimmed, because of improved communication between the nurses and the doctors, we've trimmed the length of stay that a patient spends in the emergency department by 30 minutes. Employee morale has gone through the roof. It's great. We are very transparent in sharing results. And when the results were bad, we would post them and put a little sad face and post it on the wall. Once we started really getting up, in the rankings, it was amazing how people would really be excited and really get into it. And I remember a case where there was a delay in getting an ultrasound. And I remember one of the nurses said, "Oh, this is terrible. We're going to lose a little bit in patient satisfaction." And it was really exciting to hear them say that. Everybody became invested in this. It was not just something to make me feel better or the docs or everything got better. Morale is the highest it's been that I've seen it, and I've been there 5 years.